Welcome to our room tour of the Claridge Hotel in Atlantic City, New Jersey. This is room 817. It was on a cold Sunday night. Room was nice but comfortable. I felt the room was dark, and part of that might have been these dark lampshades that might have made the room seem darker. As you can see, it's like an old type room, old world charm. But everything was very clean, up to date. You know, the rug, no rips, no stains. I didn't notice anything off or needing attention. The bathroom was fine. There's a shower. Again, everything was clean. Towels were nice. We're going to take a look out. The TV is a little smaller, but it's fine. Look outside. This is, you can see a little bit of the boardwalk. As I said, it was a dreary day. Heated pool, no hot tub, but I am told the water was warm. It's a gym, a fitness room, did not partake. This is the elevator, again, very old world. If you look at the edging around the mirrors, very pretty, very well done. Elevators were fine. They were older, but they worked fine, no issues. There were 5 of them. I don't believe they were all running because this is not a busy time for them. It was very cold when we went. This is the lobby, nice big lobby. There was a lounge. There was a gift shop that was a decent size. They seemed to have a lot of different things in there. A lot of seating area. The front desk. This was very lighted. This was this second, kind of like a half a second floor. We were heading toward the High Rollers, which is a dispensary. Maybe the only one there, I'm not sure. Very long hall. We did not go in. We didn't feel we could film in there and just didn't go there. This is the walkway to Bailey's Hotel. We actually, with our room, we got a $20 to spend it at Bally's. There's some restaurants on the side. This is the walkway. There is me spending my $20. That is all I spent. I did not add any money. See, outside the boardwalk, it was extremely cold when we went. This is a time lapse of sunrise. You can see a couple of the resorts, the hotels. Boardwalk was snowy. It had snowed a bit, so it was kind of snowy. This was the next morning. We had taken a walk down. There really wasn't anything open because of the season. I'm not sure how much really would have been open, but I'm sure the weather kind of added to that also. We walked down to Caesars. We did go in Caesars. This was early in the morning. This was probably 8 o'clock. So there really wasn't a whole lot going on in the casino or in Caesars, but we did walk around there. Caesars seemed very nice, the casino portion. We did, on the end of this walk down the boardwalk, we did go down to the beach, not all the way down, but we went down to the sand. It was a cold day, but it was pretty calm, not so windy, so it wasn't too bad. But this was our weekend getaway. Hope you enjoyed this room tour and this little